welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys my updated workout routine. So it has been a year since I got my gym membership and about 9 months since I did my very first workout routine. So obviously things has got to change since then. So previously I started a video by sharing with you guys my body stats, and at the point of time I think I was 42 kilograms with like 23% body fat, and honestly I thought I was only gonna get lighter and I thought my body fat was only gonna drop further, but apparently not. At that point of time I was actually at my lightest and my body fat percentage was also the lowest. So yeah, in other words, I gained weight. So basically I was eating a lot more than I should, and I wasn't only eating a lot more, I was also eating a lot of junk food. So that's the main reason why I gained weight. So since then my weight has been fluctuating around 44 to 45 kilograms. But you know what they say, the weighing machine is not always accurate, because despite being 45 kilograms, which is actually a little bit heavier than before I even started going to the gym, I definitely do not look like how I looked like back then. Plus, whenever I use other weighing machines at other gyms, I always get quite a big difference in terms of the body fat percentage, muscle mass and stuff. So since then I have stopped weighing myself because I know that it's going to affect my motivation and my emotions. So I just decided to focus on maintaining a healthy diet as well as a consistent workout routine. Okay, so after about 7 to 8 months of going to the gym and doing the same thing every single week, I noticed that I stopped seeing any differences in my body, and because of that I started to feel very unmotivated about going to the gym, and that was when my boyfriend actually shoved a YouTube video in my face, and it told me that I should prioritize strength training. So that was when I thought, you know what? I am going to try that. So as usual, I try and work out at least 4 days a week. Previously, I noticed that I've been going to the gym at least 5 days a week for a really long time, and I am so impressed with myself. But nowadays I've been suspecting that I might be overdoing it, because sidetrack, you guys know that I have hormonal acne, and over-exercising can actually cause hormonal acne. So right now I'm just trying to keep it at like 3 to 4 days a week. So starting with the classes that I go to, on Tuesdays I used to go to my favorite Zumba class. But since my favorite trainer has left the company, now on Tuesdays I go to a kickboxing class instead. And this is not just a regular kickboxing class, it's called Kick Blitz, and it's a kickboxing class that incorporates other moves such as squats, mountain climbers, jumping, push-ups, burpees. So yeah, it's basically a really intense cardio class, and I really enjoy it because it's really fun, very tiring, but it's not as boring as running on a treadmill. So on Thursdays, I still go to the same energy sculpt class that I mentioned in my previous workout routine video. This class changes its routine every 4 weeks or so you don't have to worry about your body getting used to the routine. So this is basically like a toning class for your entire body. So we use really light weights, like I use 3 pounds, and we do like many different moves many times. So yeah, that is what the class is like. And sometimes I will go to the class before this energy sculpt class, and that class is a stretching class, which I think is really useful because if you're always exercising, you need to make sure that your muscles and your body is flexible and not stiff. So on Saturday mornings, if I go to the gym, I will go to the same ultimate interval class that I mentioned in my previous workout routine video as well. This is also a class that changes its routine every week, so it's always something different, so you don't have to worry about your body getting used to the routine. So this is basically an interval class, and it intervals between cardio and toning, so it's like an energy sculpt class but with cardio in it. So for the rest of the days, so Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, I will basically just pick 1 or 2 days to head to the gym. Okay, so during the days where I just go to the gym, I will do my strength training workout. and my abs workout. And sometimes I will try my best to incorporate a HIIT workout on the treadmill or just run, because I used to run a lot and I don't want to lose my ability to run long distances. So I still try to fit in like a treadmill session in my workout schedule. Okay, so for my strength training workout routine, I basically start with the dumbbells and I try to overload a little bit, but I still keep it safe. In the past, I did use the dumbbells, but I've always kept it at a maximum of 4 kilograms per dumbbells. And now I will move up to 5, 6, and even 7 kilograms per dumbbell. So I try my best to overload because I think that is the main purpose of strength training, and I've read it somewhere that it's more efficient to use a heavier dumbbell and do lesser reps than use a light one and do more reps. Okay, so with the dumbbells, I will do a series of different moves, which I'll show you guys in the clip right now. And basically, I will try and do at least 3 sets of 12 reps per exercise. I don't do them in a specific sequence, but I try and do the weighted squats close towards the end, because after I'm done with dumbbells, I'll move on to leg presses, and I really want to stress the leg muscles. For the leg presses, I usually do 4 sets of 12 or 4 sets of 15 reps. So right now, I'm actually trying to increase the weight slowly. So in the clip you're watching, I was at 50 kilograms, but 2 days ago when I went to the gym, I tried 60 kilograms, and it's a little bit tough, but I think I can do it. So I think in my next gym session, I might try to do more reps for 60 kilograms. So moving on, I will literally move on to the next gym equipment, which is the lat presses equipment. And the same thing, I'm trying to increase the weight by 5 kilograms, but for this, it's a little bit tough. Last of all, for my strength training routine, I will do deadlifts, and yeah, for this one, I feel like it's a little bit tough. I'm not sure if it's because of my grip, but I feel like I always feel like the bar is just slipping off my hands. So I am going to get gym gloves, but I haven't got it yet. But I am going to get them. But for now, I just feel like it's always like slipping off my hands. So for this, I try and do the same thing, 3 sets, but I feel like I'm always stuck at like 8 to 10 reps. Like the first set will be a successful 10 reps, and then for the other 2 sets it will always be like 8. So that is my current progress, but I think it will be better if I get the gym gloves. Okay, so for my abs workout, it's very easy. I just follow this 10 minutes ab workout routine by this YouTuber called Chloe Ting. I will leave her link in the description box below. She has a couple of these 10 minutes abs workout routine, and I just shuffle between them. I don't think I can do an abs workout for over 10 minutes. Like, to be honest, until now, I still really struggle to finish her routines. But, I mean, I've seen a huge difference. Like, sometimes I do complete everything, but sometimes I really need to like pause in between and like catch my breath. And that's it. That is my new workout routine. So personally, I feel like ever since I changed up my workout routine, I've started to see changes in my body again, and I started to notice how important it is to get out of your comfort zone. There's this like famous quote or something that says like, if you put a shark in a tank, it can only grow that much, but if you put it in an ocean, it can grow a lot bigger. So I think it's really important to push yourself. Obviously, stay in a place where you know you're gonna be safe. For example, for the dumbbells, I don't take 8 kilograms because I know I cannot do it, but still I don't stay at where I was, which was 4 kilograms. So I try and slowly increase. So in the past, you guys know that I used to run a lot and I'm like always on the treadmill. Like every time I go to the gym, the first thing I do is go onto the treadmill and run. And I knew that I had to change things up, but I just thought maybe I should run longer distance. So I always try to push myself to run longer, but there was a point of time where I just felt like I cannot go any longer. Like I think 7 kilometers is like my max, and I usually only do like 5 to 6, and if I hit 7 then I will be really tired. Basically it's just really boring as well to keep doing the same things, and I feel like my body just got used to like the whole running thing. So yeah, now I feel like I've started to do different things. I've seen my body change as well, and I am very excited to see how much it will change. And so what was I saying? My battery died, so I changed my battery and now I completely forgot what I was talking about. Also, I feel like it's really important to not stress over exercising, because exercising is supposed to help you de-stress and not to make you more stressed. So it's kind of lame if you get stressed over exercising, and I'm saying this because I used to be like that, which is why I used to go to the gym 5 days a week. Even though I was really tired, I just kept telling myself like, no, I'm not tired, like I can do it. And then I end up just burning out, I guess. So I started to feel very stressed about not going to the gym, stuff like that. So now I just try and take things easy. For example, this week I only went to the gym 3 times and I'm not stressing out about it, you know. I'm feeling really chill about it. So, you know, just don't stress over things like that. Okay, so that is all for today's video. I want to thank you so much for watching everything and staying until the end. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!